at the Big Idea Conference, I want y'all to do something. Imagine there's two twin brothers, one named Alex and one named Bob. Alex is sitting to your left and Bob is sitting to your right. Alex has an estimated lifetime earning of $1.6 million, but his twin brother Bob has an estimated earning of $2.8 million. So why the difference, you ask? See, Bob knew that if you do what's easy today, your life will be hard tomorrow. But if you do what's hard today, for 4 years, you get that 4-year college education, your life will be $1.2 million richer. You see, in life, you get out what you put in. For me, with the help of Outward Bound, I became the first person in my immediate family to earn a 4-year college degree. And when I say education can open doors, it opened doors that was once locked for me as a young boy. When I got my MBA in personal finance, another door unlocked. But it was when I went back and I got that master's degree in accounting, I became a U.S. diplomat, one of only 15,000 people out of 330 million people in America. Imagine that. So when they say dream big, have big ideas, I want you to dream big. Think of one thing that you can do today to take action. Because tomorrow when you wake up, you'll be one step closer to your dream.
Using emotional intelligence. As an Outward Bound Trio program beneficiary, I'm very, very motivated by the opportunity to help young leaders take a proactive role in their lives, themselves, their education, and most importantly, their career. As an amazing speaker,